How to defeat bosses in Darkest Days. Facing a giant, this guide gives you the strategy on how to defeat bosses in Darkest Days. Every boss has a telegraphed attack. Watch for the red glow or a specific animation before they strike. Don't just stand and shoot. Dodge and roll the moment you see them wind up. Survival is your first priority. Look for glowing weak spots. Many bosses have armored fronts but vulnerable backs or heads. Hitting these spots deals 3 times damage and can temporarily stun the bosses, giving you time to reload or heal. Don't just use your guns. Use environmental hazards. Lead the boss near explosive barrels or into arrow corridors where they move slower. Use the special abilities only when the boss is stunned for maximum impact. The bigger they are, the harder they fall. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days boss guides.